What's up, everyone? This is Manny here. Today I'm doing a talking video of the Stihl GTA 26 mini chainsaw. Really hoping this thing will be used this year for 2025, exactly, which it will definitely get used this year for 2025, exactly, which because the last time I did it was since May, and this thing was had since June. You can tell because you know how expected these things. You can tell because we don't ever use this thing this often, so I hope at some point this thing will get used this year for 2025, exactly, which it will get used at some point this year because you know how expected this machine has been used almost like quite a bit because this machine right here exactly there's nothing wrong with it exactly because you can see how much expected this machine has been used almost like quite a bit of times because you can see how much expected this machine exactly because I really hope someone is saying this thing will give you just use this here for 2025 exactly which I hope it does because I really want to get this thing used at some point this year for 2025 exactly which is I mean this chainsaw is value this thing like is value it's been used almost like quite a bit of times because you see how expensive this machine is actually because well I mean I do like this machine because even though this thing's been used almost quite a bit because you can tell this thing been used almost quite a bit they're still making them surprisingly which but the one thing I do like about this thing is actually it looks pretty powerful in my opinion but you can see how much expected this machine's been used almost like quite a bit because you can tell this thing's gonna get used no matter what and you have to hold this down and do this exactly because if you don't it would definitely how much more expensive this machine is being used almost like quite a bit. Because I'm hoping at some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly, which it will get used at some point because you see how expensive this machine I do like to sing a lot.